Hey everybody. If you're looking at this, hopefully you have already looked at lesson 1, so you'll know why you're seeing what you're seeing. We opened a file and we created a new Google Doc and we called it what we wanted to call it. And we opened this file and called it what we wanted to call it, renamed it. And now we're ready to get more familiar with the SketchUp environment. So if you haven't seen the first lesson, I recommend you do that if at any time you're confused about why we are where we are. So this environment exists as an illusion. And to navigate this illusion and create in this illusion, you have to understand a few things. This left-hand toolbar is where you will have most of your creative tools, the things that you can make, like lines or shapes, and then pulling and twisting those lines and those shapes into different forms in this environment. On the right-hand toolbar, this is where you're mostly manipulating how you view this environment. Right now it's set at a default for grass and sky, like we would be out in the environment outdoors. You can change that. You can make it look like a chalkboard, or you can make it look like a watercolor painting if you want, but we'll deal with that later. This is mostly the illusion of how you see what you're doing in this environment on the right. On the left is how you're manipulating or creating things in this environment. Okay. So this tutorial is mostly, since they're very short, they're only like 5 minutes long, how you can navigate this environment, okay? I recommend opening the Instructor window. The Instructor is over here on the top right. It is going to show you any tool that you're using and show you how to use it, both in a visual sort of GIF, and in, let me get my mug out of the way, and in a description of text. Let me save you some time. Moving around this environment like this is called orbiting. Orbiting is really important because, yes, you could roll the zoom dial on your mouse and get closer, zoom, or zoom out farther away. But the zoom dial, if you have a mouse, is more than what it seems in this environment because it usually is a button as well. So if you press that button, it will engage automatically the Orbitz feature. So this one button can do two things. It can both zoom toward and away from something, and if you press it and engage the button feature, you engage the orbit feature. And the orbit is like it sounds, like when a satellite orbits the Earth, it goes around the wholeness of it, all 360 degrees of it. So if you keep dragging it and lifting up and dragging it and lifting up and dragging it and lifting up and around, you will orbit right back to where you started, okay? That's orbiting. Orbiting is crucial to get to where you want to be in this environment, like on that side of the building or this side of a box or whatever. In addition to zooming or orbiting around an object, you also want to know how to pan. And panning is, this is orbiting down here, but you don't need to ever go to the bottom of this left toolbar. You just learned a shortcut that will save some time just doing it on your mouse. Panning is this white hand icon. It looks like this in the Instructor. So panning, I'm going to get into a different tool just so you can see I'm not in the pan tool right now. I'm in the select tool. Panning is pressing the orbit button on your mouse and shift on your keyboard. Panning is sliding side to side or up and down, straight up and down, not orbiting. Panning is like doing this. Grabbing this whole thing and sliding it side to side. That's really good to know how to do once you're inside of a box or something, because then you get into the position to do all the little details you want to do. So those are 3 different ways to navigate this environment: zooming in and out, orbiting around, and panning side to side. If you know how to do that, you're steps ahead of people who don't, and it's going to really save you a lot of time using those shortcuts instead of going to these tools in the left-hand toolbar. The next video will be about using these tools and creating things from the left-hand toolbar. See you then.